Okay, jumping right into it. First, use any aquamarine eyeshadow you have on hand and apply to inner corners of the eye. Next, I use a navy blue eyeshadow from a palette my sister bought me from Paris called Giorgio Armani in the shade Eyes to Kill. This is the transitional shade leading to the darkest blue at the tail end of your cut crease. The last shade in this variant C is Matte Midnight Blue that is nearly black in color. Sculpt the edges to create the sharpest wing possible, adding pigment, then taking it away with a Q-tip. As you can see, you see the transitional work that I have done from the inner corners to the outer corners. I am pressing some aquamarine on the inner corners of my eyes, the first shade of blue that I applied at the beginning of this tutorial. That dark blue that looks like black, drag it to the outer corners of your waterline to create a smoldering effect. Highlighting your eyes is generally the most important step in any eye makeup tutorial because it brings the look together. So touching up is also a very important step in any makeup tutorial so the colors can pop more. Last but not least, the most unusual but fun part is adding your Armani navy blue to my cheekbones to sheerly apply it for that ocean-esque, whimsical look. I was actually inspired by Summer and the movie Sweeney Todd when Mrs. Lovett was singing about how she wanted to live by the sea, to live a peaceful life. I also have a music channel to really give homage to the beautiful warmth, sunlight, and festivities that is associated with summer. I had a ton of fun filming this. Thank you so much for your patience and love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.